Good morning, students. Today we will learn E, F and G. How to write these alphabets. For E, see, I'll put 3 dots. Now you're thinking, why did ma'am put 3 dots? See, first we'll join the 3 dots, okay? Then from first dot, one hand, from second dot, another hand, and from the third dot, another hand. See, the E is done. 1, 2, 3. We'll join the 3 dots. From the first dot, one hand, from the second dot, another hand, from the third dot, another hand. E is done. Now let's try to learn it through lines. One standing line, one sleeping line, second sleeping line, third sleeping line. E is done. If you avoid dots, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Okay? Now for F, what we'll do, we'll again put 3 dots, but we need to learn, we'll join the dots, but only we'll attempt the first dot and second dot. F is done. Again see, 3 dots, we're going to join 3 dots and only we're going to attempt first one and the second one. F is done. And if you are going to avoid the dots, what you can do? Standing line, one sleeping line, second sleeping line. F is done. Standing line, one sleeping line, second sleeping line. F is done. Okay, now for G, what we are going to do? We are going to put 2 dots and first we are going to make a big C. Once the C is done, we are going to make a box and come down. See? I would request the guardians also to explain the children in this way so that they get a fun to write the alphabets. Make a C, make a box and come down. G is done. If we are going to avoid the dots, what we are going to do? Make a curve and then standing, sleeping, standing. Make a curve, standing, sleeping, standing. Okay? I think dots are better to get them. Make a C, make a box and come down. Okay? Whichever is convenient you can do. Write 1 page of capital E, 1 page of capital F and 1 page of capital G. Practice at home with proper lines. Okay? And show me. Good morning, children. Now we'll learn about small e, small f and small g. How to write them. See, I have drawn a copy-like structure, a 4-line copy-like structure. For small e, we need to give 2 dots in the middle line and we are going to write, see, first, it is a C-like structure. Okay, first you will start writing like a C and then you will try to fold the head. In the beginning, you will try to write it like this, I know, which will be convenient for you to know the alphabet. But finally, what do you have to do? You have to make a moon behind, below this dot. Like see, I am making a moon below this dot and then trying to make a C. What I did, there is the dot. I am trying to make a moon below this dot. See, I made a moon and then I am making a C. Easy na? See, a moon and a C. C. E is done. For F, what I am doing, see, I am making a hand for the first dot. See, a hand and then a standing line, and then I am going to cut the belly. A hand for the first dot and then a standing line and then cut the belly. Easy. See, I am again putting 2 dots. A hand for the first dot and then a standing line, and then I am going to cut the belly. This way you can write F. For G, see, I have given dots like this. These 3 dots are not in a single line. The first 2 dots are in sequence and the third one is bit side than the sequence. What we are going to do, we are going to first make a circle. When we have reached to the first dot, we are going to then come down to this third dot and go straight up. See, from the first dot, we are going to make a circle and reach to the first dot, and then from here we are going to come to the third dot and we are going up. Bit tricky, but I think you can do if you keep practicing this, and once you are well acquainted with the dots, you can write it more nicely. See, okay children, you can write G like this, or you have to just follow the lines. The 4-line copies are there just to follow the lines. Within this second and third line, make a circle, come to the come to the fourth line and just straight go up. This way also you can do. So capital E, capital F and capital G, 3 pages total, and small e, small f and small g, 3 more pages. Total 6 page homework you have to do today or tomorrow. Do it in your own time and show me. Okay, bye.